Hello everyone, a very good morning to you. Welcome to today's edition of The Bottom Line. Here are the top headlines.
Travel firms called for the removal of testing rules. Pakistan issued new travel guidelines. Negative RT-PCR mandatory for travelers 6 years and above. BMC notifies new rules for incoming international flyers. Chile to write a new constitution for climate change as a central theme. Kashmir witnesses highest tourist fall in 7 years. Thailand allows visitors back to Maya Bay after more than 3 years. Ministers are finalizing changes to the travel COVID testing requirements after industry groups called for remaining restrictions and tests to be removed. The government is discussing the removal of advice that people who test positive on a lateral flow device should seek a confirmatory PCR test. Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority has issued fresh guidelines as of January 5th for inbound airline travelers. The authority has abolished different countries' categories and announced blanket guidelines amid the surge in coronavirus infection driven by the Omicron variant. Pakistan has made a negative polymerase chain reaction test mandatory for all passengers above 6 years flying into the country. Vaccination will be mandatory for all inbound passengers over 15 years of age with a negative PCR report conducted within 48 hours of departure. BMC on Tuesday ordered all worldwide travelers from in-danger and high-hazard nations and UAE showing up at Mumbai International Airport to go through fast RT-PCR or other COVID tests. On the off chance that tried negative, the travelers will be permitted to leave and remain under 7-day home quarantine. Those found positive to go through institutional quarantine. The remainder of the travelers who are completely immunized need not go for the test except if requested to do as such by specialist, said Kiran Dighavkar, Assistant Municipal Commissioner, BMC.
That's a wrap on today's edition of The Bottom Line. Thank you for joining us. For more such travel industry updates, stay tuned to tomorrow. Have a great day ahead.